Hello, thank you for joining me for this video. In it, we're going to take a quick look at how to create a plugin from one of our .NET custom CompuTec AppEngine templates. These templates make it much faster and much simpler for developers to create custom solutions for businesses who are using SAP Business One and CompuTec solutions. I should also stress that as well as creating bespoke solutions for CompuTec ProcessForce and other CompuTec solutions, these templates are equally suitable for custom plugins for SAP Business One, even when CompuTec solutions are not being used by the business. Right, so to start off, we have to install the CompuTec templates packages from NuGet with the command .NET new install CompuTec.appengine.templates. If you already have the templates installed, to see a list, you can use the command .NET new list AE to do that. As you can see, there are a number of different templates for plugins, but also for various other things like custom view and various kinds of jobs. So these ones here, the ones tagged Visual C# items, these are just simple files that you can add to your projects. And then the others tagged add-in, so these are our plugin templates and the CompuTec AppEngine background processing service. These generally can be used using a somewhat similar procedure to what we will look at in this video. So basically using these 5 templates you end up with a full solution, and the others are items that we can add later on. But we're just going to look at one example, and that will be using the template for our UI5 plugin with JavaScript on the front end. Now the next thing we have to do is to create a folder for our plugin. Right, so that's done. We now need to choose our template. And as I said, for our example, I'm going to create a plugin in UI5 with JavaScript on the front end, which is this one here. You can see that we also have TypeScript templates too, but we won't go into that right now. So we'll create the plugin with the command .NET new, and then the short name for the template we want to use. We can get this from our list. But as you see, when we enter that short name, we get this message telling us that a root prefix and plugin ID are missing, so we need to add those now. And now we can see that the plugin based on this template has been created successfully. So the next step is to open the plugin in Visual Studio where we can edit the code. Once I'm in Visual Studio, I'm going to select SAP Business One version 10 and 64-bit architecture. And then now you're ready to edit the template and write your plugin code. What's included in your template will of course depend on which particular template you're using. But for the template we're using in this example, you'll find that the plugin initializer and plugin setup, some examples of OData controllers, and a partially written user interface with an example view. They've already been properly implemented. And then the rest is up to you, but you should find that using our template will save you a substantial amount of time. So at this point, normally I would start to edit the plugin template. I would write the code for the plugin I want to create. But to save us a lot of time, we'll just skip past that part in this video and we'll imagine that our plugin is now ready and we want to be able to use it. So we have to create a new launch profile. We're going to choose to start the CompuTec AppEngine console, so you'll have to locate that file. And then now, assuming you already have CompuTec AppEngine up and running, we can go to CompuTec AppEngine and log into the administration panel. And then we'll click on our plugin here. And then from here, we can enable it for the relevant company just using this toggle. And that's it. Your new plugin is now ready to use.